If you are planning on publishing the games you build with Unity, or if you are planning on using any of the services Unity offers, then you will want to create a Unity ID. To create a Unity ID, you can go to the official Unity website, which is www.unity.com. Once loaded, you'll need to click on the profile icon up in the top right corner. You can then click Create a Unity ID. This will take you to a page where you can fill in your email, password, username, and full name. You'll then need to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Accepting promotional material is, however, optional. You can then click Create a Unity ID. You can also do this from Unity Hub. When you open Unity Hub, click the same profile icon in the top right corner, then select Sign In. This will open up a new window where you are given the option to sign in. If you do not currently have a Unity ID, then you can click the Create One link, which will take you to a new page where you can enter in the same information to create an account. Once you are logged in, you should then be able to see your account information when you click the same profile drop-down menu. Now you can utilize some of the services Unity provides for game development. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, then leave them in the comments below. Also, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you can be up to date with all our latest videos. In fact, there's a couple videos right over here that you might enjoy.